Shiva Ananta, Shiva Krapa Ananta. The path of Shiva Yoga, because now you are taking the Diksha, you are going deeper. With each Diksha, you are less you are more Shiva. And as you become more Shiva, you must know this, that your path is the sadhanatmak path, the internal path, the dhyanatmak path. In the sadhanatmak path, we are not changing anything that is around us. We are changing how we react. Because you cannot change what is around you. Even if you give it all the knowledge of the world, Bhasmasur remains Bhasmasur. Even with Shiva Shakti, he is Bhasmasur. What you change? Yourself. And once you start to change, then what changes is how you interact with the things around you. The great Indian playwright who wrote Abhigyana Shakuntalam, Kalidas. The legend of Kalidas is he's sitting, and some great Pandit used him to trick a very knowledgeable queen to marry him. And the queen thought Kalidas is very brilliant, intelligent, but he was simpleton, maybe even riddle bit. So when the queen got to know he is an idiot, she scolded him so much. And throw him out of the house and say, when you are intelligent, then only come back. So Kalidas, thrown out of the house, start to think, if I am intelligent, then only I have to go back. How to become intelligent? And just like Parshuram, when the heart is ready, the Avadhut appears. As you pray, and when the prayer purifies the heart, a day will come when God will become Guru and appear to hold your hand. So poor Kali, the Avadhut appear, and the Avadhut, Kalidas say, how to become intelligent? The Avadhut say, asking me. I am myself happy Pappu. So you want intelligence? Here, I give you the path, go pray to the Mother Kali. And Kalidas pray. And one day the Bhagavati becomes happy. And she raises his consciousness and he becomes supremely intelligent. And when we were young, we were told this story of Kalidas, all children, that look, Kalidas fight so much with his wife, and then go and pray and become intelligent. And then I used to think, अगर कालिदास अपनी बीवी से लड़के कालिदास बन सकता है, तो इतने पति जो हर समय लड़े रहते हैं, वो काय कालिदास नहीं बनते? The same incident becomes the triggering point that allows people to change in this manner that it starts to look that there is an intelligent creator helping them reach their goals. But that is what happens in sadhana. Sadhana cannot change other people's nature, but it can change your nature.